So right now I'm going over to my friend's house where 3 of us are going to play through the entirety of the Shadow of the Colossus remake in one sitting. But that involves staying up late at night to finish a game. But I'm getting on a flight to LA so I can see my brother, which I think will be an interesting experience.
Nice.
Wow.
Jump stab, that's all you got.
Oh!
Oh, just outside the hitbox. Jump stab.
Yo!
Got it. Oh shit. And
So worth it.
Hey, you're right next to it.
Yeah.
I believe in you. I believe that you can jump stab this bird.
Yes!
Yeah!
Cool.
I think really the difference, you summed up really well when we were fighting the salamander, when you asked like, oh, is the area of burst of the salamander bursts different? Because I remember it being different, and it's like,
I remember it being harder to tell where it was.
Yeah, it's like, is it different from how I remember it because my memory is faulty, or the game is different?
Hit you the nips too. Let's see, maybe it'll be easier on these rocks.
Don't get blasted.
Wet and slippery. I wonder. Okay.
The camera just will not fucking focus on this. For nothing.
Shit.
Oh my god. Yeah, don't actually die.
Oh! Literally the next thing that happens after you say that. No, is he still alive?
What?
No.
No.
Where the fuck am I?
What's going on? Hello?
What?
Where are you? Can you move? Can you move the camera?
You should try and kill yourself.
Oh.
Now you're dead.
Oh my god.
Oh, last one. Okay.
Yo, just give it a hot second.
There we go.
Yo!
Nice.
Oh.
It is 3:09. I have a flight in a little over 12 hours. And all things considered, I'm gonna get a lot more sleep than I thought I would.
Mastodon, I don't know if you know the full significance of this because, so first of all, Two Old Cat is mentioned a couple of times in Over the Garden Wall.
Mm-hmm.
Once played for a joke where Greg finds 2 old cats.
Right.
But later on, when they're going into the party, there's someone standing outside the party being like, oh yeah, man, there's tons of bat and ball games. 1 old cat, 2 old cat, then mentions a couple others, but that are mumbled because they're going into the party.
Woken Rounders? Well, this makes sense because Over the Garden Wall was made before 1940, so the complete guide of games.
It wasn't made before 19... So I tried to look up the rules of 2 old cat, or even 1 old cat, and they were, on Wikipedia, are just incomprehensible.
Well, let's see if this is any more comprehensible.
What page is that?
615. Donkey baseball.
Donkey baseball. Donkey baseball.
Okay, so we've got minor baseball type games. 1 old cat. This game is played with only 1 base besides the home plate.
Last time where 2 batters are used. But what does that... How?
So 1 batter goes first, and if they reach first base, then the other batter goes. And
Okay. That makes a lot more sense because the phrasing of it on the Wikipedia page made it sound like there were 2 people
batting
at once.
I mean, there's
Potentially on
nothing
different plates. So there's you have the 2 plates of home. Wait. Home, pitcher's mound, and first base. So if home and first base, and I was thinking like, okay, so there's 2 batters, 1 on each base? ? And they have to run to the other one.
I mean, there's also the good one, hot rice. So when the ball is caught off the ground, the fielder, without moving a step, must throw it at the batter. The batter must keep 1 foot on home base and may avoid the ball by dodging or hitting it away with the bat. If he is hit with the ball, the player who hits him becomes the batter.
Here we have Heather speedrunning this lock.
Nah, damn it.
There's a lot of RNG.
All right, 1 in 1,000.
Not a speedrun safe run.
It kind of ends after that apartment building. Yeah, you can tell by like jumping down a little bit and going back up, it doesn't move at all.
Oh, yeah. What if we went over there and hitched the ride on the car?
It's for sale. Start the landing.